moving away from LiQWYD and Flores. I'm taking the flight to Bali. I haven't decided yet where in Bali I will stay. Maybe probably Ubud, but we'll see. Bye. So here it is, my beauty. I'm waiting for him to come. Okay, this place I'm at the airport in LiQWYD. It's ridiculously. I get so upset because they're taking such prices. It's like robbing you off. So shame on you, Zodiac Coffee. Yeah, I'm at the airport, by the way. This is the first time they've asked me to use this kind of thing in the whole trip. But yeah, this was also the same thing in Arlanda in Stockholm before, because you feel like trapped. You know where to go, and there's only these places where you can buy some food, and you're starting off your trip with the feeling of you getting scammed, because they use the fact that you have nowhere to go, so the prices are like humongous. They're so expensive, and you feel like you're getting scammed. And it's not a very pleasant way to deal with customers, to use them. Getting on a trip is supposed to be like a happy thing, and not being like angry and yeah. I hate the feeling that I'm used. So, good morning to you all. Yeah, so you had to have these during the flight, and I think I can take it off now because I'm in Bali again. Yeah, so, and I have decided to go to Ubud, which is a place I've been to before, but it's sort of in the middle of the, not really middle, but kind of middle of the island. So you can do a lot of stuff and just go from there. So, and I've already booked, I think it was 5 days, 4 nights, or 5 nights. Yeah, we'll see. I don't remember. So now, let's go to Ubud. So yeah, we're on our way to Ubud, and it's grey. Wherever over there, I know it's raining, but we're sort of gonna around there. But it doesn't look good, guys. But it will maybe rain today, but I've decided not tomorrow. Yes, so it's here. Well, I can tell you one thing, that Indonesian rain is nothing you play with. That's the expression in Swedish. I don't know if there is one in English, but there you have it. Well, I'm officially here in Ubud, and my hotel is supposed to be here. He just dropped me off. You can't drive here, and it's called Swan Inn. I don't see any sign of it, but according to the maps, it's gonna be here. So let's go. Yeah, I asked oh, here we have something. I asked the local guy, and yeah, I'm on the right way. And I also see the sign now. So Swan Inn, 50 meters. Oh, 60 meters. Found it in the... It was a very long alley here. But this looks exactly... I really hope there's nothing wrong with the Wi-Fi, the swimming pool, or the refrigerator. So I'm a happy dude. This is the view from my porch. I have a bungalow. Here you have the seating, the restaurant, well, the breakfast, and there's the pool over there. So we have the pool area here. I have the breakfast area here. And look, all the flowers. So I can lay down here, sit down here, walk into this beauty hill. I can sleep there, I can sleep there, I can sit there, I can have my water there. Good gracious and almighty. That's where I live for the next 5 days. And I celebrate it with Pinta. And on the way here, I stopped at a tourist information thing, and I already booked a rafting for tomorrow. And I thought, why not? It was a good price. So I thought, why not? So this is what I do tomorrow. Pick up at 9 o'clock. Okay, so I didn't go far. My hotel is just over there, but down that alley. And I found this restaurant here. So why? This is like amazing. It's like a garden restaurant. I'm totally alone here, but the time isn't that much. Look, and I'm gonna have like a special dish, I think. It's prawns and rice in a banana leaf. You'll see soon. Yeah, this definitely comes up to the scale, because it is kind of like a goreng, but it has prawns in it, and it's much more flavor and spices in it. So good, so good, yummy. I'll give it 2 or 3 on the M scale.